I'm Justin Mullins and this is the Freakin' News. 5 African lions broke out of their enclosure at Sydney's Harborside Taronga Zoo on Wednesday, triggering an emergency lockdown. The Reuters news agency said the escape happened while the zoo was hosting a Roar and Snore overnight stay program for visitors. Alarms blared throughout the zoo and guests were rushed to safety before the lions were tracked down and returned safely to their exhibit. The zoo's executive director Simon Duffy told reporters one lion cub had to be tranquilized. With your Freakin' News report, I am Justin Mullins. Have a great freaking day.